Hi, Greg from Curry Country Living. So this is the third installment of my bin moving project. These bins in the background behind came from a neighbor probably 3-4 miles down the road, and it's been quite the process to get to this point. Damn it, Z! Sorry. 3, 2, 1. What a difference from Saturday. Today's Monday, and we actually got rain yesterday, and we're pretty happy about that. But today it was actually snowing, and it's supposed to get up to +9 today. So I'm going ahead with this cement pour, and I've just finished putting some rebar down. Tracy and James just finished leveling the bin and making sure that we're within 4.5 to 5 inches in there. And we're about to build the little patio, I don't know what you would call it, kind of the area in front of the bar where people would stand. So that's what we're going to attempt right now. Cement. I think I can use just regular wire. Rebar in the one pad. Well, I don't know, 8. This is 10 pieces. Brother Wayne. The only thing was Hubs gave me a call back and asked him to come earlier. And I went, it wouldn't be getting done near as easy, would it?
James says he has experience with concrete. He says we need to lift the rebar off so that the concrete can get underneath.
That's correct. Just finished pouring 6.5 yards of concrete in 3 different spots with the bin 2 pad 15 by 16 behind me that'll put in the bin for the gazebo, and then behind me on the other side is the bar bin for Jordan's wedding. So now we can just kind of place things out and figure out what we want to do and take it to the next step. This will be the part that we're going to be standing at in the bar, and this is where I don't have a whole bunch of experience doing this or calculating. So if we're going to be short of cement, we're going to be short of cement right behind me. So what I'll do is I'll start pouring on the far side and come this way, but if my calculations are close, we should be having a little bit extra. Something right beneath. So we either attach the board now, or we put the stake in and attach it.
Well, it's only gonna be like what, 2 foot.
What do you want to do?
Doesn't really matter.
You got the tape on you?
flavor for my supper.
Yeah.
I gotta make my own supper.
Like it takes a lot to move dirt, so try not to push it in. Yeah, you shouldn't. But.
You have changed it? Yeah. Is that bin coming here eventually? Or what?
Yep. Oh, good job. Good job. Okay.
Pascona's coming too, so I'm gonna get my little edge.
Let's see your hat again, Trevor. Nice.
Advertising. My rubbers have. Am I supposed to be on the other side? I feel like I'm not rubbing it. We're gonna need more.
Deep enough, Greg? Just keep it in front of the fork, yeah, so.
Alright, not hard enough.
Pull in the middle, yeah.
Welcome to being almost 60, Mike.
Or to the back.
Okay.
Pull it ahead.
Jerry was backing. Now Jerry's driving.
Ah.
My phone, yeah, I guess.
Okay, now let's go. Here then.
And they don't mind switching.
Jerry's is first decent back. You can either.
Okay. The tallest guy should be on the float. Who's the tallest? You use the float? There you go. Yeah. I'll show you a little bit.
There you go. Take a bit away from you yet, Trevor? Okay. Don't try it.
Cement truck. Muscles of steel. Wow. That looks nice.
Talking to the guy the other day and he told me he was working for a guy guys still got 20,000 bushels of unpriced canola.
Got a haul a bunch of mine out.
Oh, for the lower.
I priced it for $12. Sad when you never do open.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Good. Look at all this here. Okay. Let the thing get the lean on it.
Okay, as long as we got.
Basically, the top on the bottom of the pipe. When you do I sent it to Hubs actually, and I said, "This is." Darren suggested I get him to water it down, and if two of you want to go in there,
The old people go in?
How many yards do you think it takes to fill that?
about two.
Okay.
Lots of good expertise.
See, that's only half a fin now, so we're almost empty. If you want it, I'll put them on.
Okay.
I was good enough to put green in, aren't you?
Coladas and beer. This is the important one, James. It has to be smooth as glass. So when you're preparing the drinks.
You want it rough because after you've had a few,
That's
you
true.
need traction.
That's true.
It should be rubber coated or foam. When you drop something, it's gonna be.
Well, you got all kinds of ideas,
Yeah,
Terry.
I've been thinking here.
He doesn't read text.
I'll let you come to this side. I'm gonna have to do it for you. I'll get. If it happens to work out good, then we'll have to go back.
and then it'll rotate behind the bin, and then this part will be the bark. So when Jordan, I'll use a grinder, hand grinder, just for the cutting blade. Yeah, that's
I want to come and see this.
Well, that looks good.
Gary's okay with not.
I'd say I'm really happy with that. I'm just going to close the door and nothing gets in there and walks on it.
How's that, Greg?
I'm closing the door because that's the way it's going to stay.
Okay.
And I can just see if I let the dog out or something.
I locked the dog. I locked the dog and the cat up.
Yeah.
So that's on. What ring is that on, Chase? It's going to be higher. I wasn't short of cement, so that was my
So how much higher is that than the blue line?
maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches.
Higher than a rib, but how do you tell in there which rib?
Well, that's why I had the blue.
Yeah, that made it simple, but once you start pouring.
Well, a real country thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a share. And until next time, enjoy the little things in life.